Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, we're addressing a common Windows update issue, Kb5063878 failing to install. If you're seeing error messages, stuck installations, or failed updates, I've got you covered with these practical solutions to get your system updated successfully. Let's start with the most effective troubleshooting steps. Update failures often stem from corrupted files, storage issues, or software conflicts. First, let's run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Press Windows key +I to open settings, then go to Update and Security Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and let it automatically detect and fix common issues. If that doesn't resolve the issue, let's clear the Windows Update cache. Press Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type these commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. netstop wazrv, netstop cryptsvc, netstop bits, netstop msizerver. Then rename the SoftwareDistribution and catroot2 folders by typing renc:/windows/softtwa redistribution softwaredistribution.old, renc:/windows/system32/catroot2 catroot2.old. Restart the services by typing netstart wazrv, netstart cryptsvc, netstart bits, netstart msizerver. Now try installing the update again. If you're still experiencing issues, let's check your system storage. Press Windows key +I, go to System and Storage, and ensure you have at least 10 GB of free space. The update may fail if there's insufficient storage available. For persistent problems, try using Windows Update Assistant. Visit Microsoft's official website, download the Update Assistant tool, and run it to force the update installation. As a last resort, you can perform a clean boot to identify software conflicts. Press Windows key +R, type msconfig, and under the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Restart your computer and attempt the update again. I know how frustrating Windows Update issues can be, especially with important security patches. One of these solutions should help you successfully install Kb5063878. For most users, running the troubleshooter or clearing the update cache does the trick. If this guide helped you resolve your Windows Update issue, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.